Everyone, this is my on-hand princess dress for kids, and this is my finished product. Ako po gumawa nito. At if you like, uh, ready to ship po ito at size for 5 to 8 years old. Pag maliit yung baby nyo, siguro hanggang 9 pwede. And this is my princess dress. At ito po ang headband ng dress set. Set na po ito, very affordable price. Sa mga interesado, just comment or send your private message. At ito po ang backlist po. Ito at ito po ang sa loob ng dress. Very magaan po. At princess dress po talaga for baby girl.